Hi friends, this is Sheetal and welcome to my channel. Winter makes our hair dull, rough and frizzy. Hence today I am going to share with you a quick and simple home remedy which will give you soft, smooth, shiny and strong hair. It will also make your hair straight naturally. So let's see how to do it. I will start with the first ingredient which is curd. This ingredient is very common in almost all my hair related DIYs and it works like magic on hair. Curd is a natural deep conditioner and it is very effective for any hair condition. Now you have to take 4 to 5 spoons of curd. I have taken as per my hair length. You can also take as per the length of your hair. This much of curd is enough for my hair, so I have taken this much. One thing to remember here is that the curd you use should be homemade and it should be very fresh. Just in case you don't get homemade fresh curd, then make sure you don't use any flavored curd. It should be unflavored and plain curd. Now we will need ghee or clarified butter. If you can get homemade fresh butter, that will be good. Otherwise you can get store-bought ghee, that will also be okay. But make sure it is cow's milk ghee or clarified butter. Any other butter will not give the desired results. Take around 3 teaspoons of ghee. This again depends on the length of your hair. So I am here taking half of quantity of the curd I took. Similarly, you can follow this measurement. Now mix these two ingredients very well. Ghee is very rich in vitamin A, D, K2 and E, and it is full of antioxidants. Regular use of ghee will not only remove your skin but also prevent them, and it makes our hair shiny, soft and luscious. Now to this mixture I am going to add around 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, and it is completely optional, but as you know, aloe vera gel works like magic on all hair related problems. So I love to add aloe vera gel in all my hair masks to give everything a good mix. Now let's see how to apply this mask. Now comb your hair and divide your hair in small parts and apply this mixture from roots to tip like so. Make sure you cover all your hair and don't leave any part of your hair untouched with this. Now you can wrap the long ones with a plastic bag so that it doesn't rip and spoil your clothes. Now keep this mask on your hair for minimum 2 hours. You can keep it longer if you wish to, and 2 hours is minimum time you should keep it on. You can wash your hair using a mild shampoo and towel dry your hair. And the result will be soft, silky, shiny hair like never before. Please do try this remedy and I am sure you will be happy with the results too. And please do share your experience in the comment box below. It will motivate my other viewers to try it out. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family and on all your social media platforms. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.